Amazing facts about animals. Butterflies can taste with their feet. They land on plants and taste them to find food. Axolotls can regrow body parts. These cute amphibians can regenerate limbs, spine, and even parts of their heart. Pigeons can recognize themselves in a mirror. One of the few animals with self-awareness. Dolphins have names. They use unique whistles to identify each other, like names. Caterpillars turn to liquid in a cocoon. Before becoming a butterfly, they completely dissolve. Giraffes only sleep for about 30 minutes a day. They take short naps to avoid predators. Octopuses can change color instantly. They have special skin cells called chromatophores. Ants never sleep. They work 24/7 and take short rest periods instead. Kangaroos can't walk backwards. Their muscular tails prevent them from moving in reverse. Parrots can live over 80 years. Some parrots outlive their owners and can learn hundreds of words. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.